Hey guys, Josh Cantwell back again, the strategic real estate coach, and we're back at another one of our case studies. This is 1148 Whittlesay Drive. We actually were able to acquire this property as a bank-owned house. We found this property, it was on the market. It actually had a wholesaler and an acquisitions manager, my good buddy Joe, that found this property for us. We bought it for $195. We're putting about $80,000 into it, and I'm gonna walk you through that in a second. And we're gonna list this for $399 in about 2 months from now. So here's what we've done so far. Obviously you see inside the property, all the demo was done. There used to be cabinets here. There were cabinets here, ripped out all those. There was a bookshelf that went across the top, ripped that out. We're gonna redo the fireplace, keep the fireplace. In the kitchen, we have an island that's going in right here, and we are gonna probably most likely put our sink right here. We haven't designed it and finalized it yet, but island right here, sink. The island will look directly into the dining room right there. Here you're gonna have fridge, you're gonna have dishwasher, and then either the sink or the stove, depending on what we do with the island. Right here, all the cabinets, we're gonna have an L shape right here, all granite, beautiful white, it's gonna be amazing. Here we actually tearing out the floors. We're actually gonna lift up all the floors, bring all the floors out, level the floors, and then put all the floors back in. We put in this support beam so that we can open up this wall. There used to be a full wall here. New chandelier, new half bath. This is just all gonna be open. Coat closet right here. And then this is your regular living room. All new windows, all new flooring, all new fireplace. It's gonna look beautiful down here. This property is gonna kill that property down the street. So we're upstairs now, and we've ripped this out, redesigned the entryway. This used to be 2 separate bedrooms. So there's gonna be this big double door that's gonna open up into a master suite. You got a nice grand opening here. Full closet right here, closet. Then you walk in, big giant master, room for a big king size bed, end tables on both sides, new windows. For some reason, they put in glass block windows in the upstairs, which makes no sense, so these will be gone. Now, the beautiful thing about this is gonna be the bathroom. You walk in here, here's what you're gonna see. Right through here, you're gonna have vanity right here, which is gonna be sweet with your sink. Right behind here, you're gonna have a beautiful custom shower. Beautiful custom stand-up shower. Over here, big, full, luxurious bathtub. And then you're gonna have your toilet over here. Okay, but this was a big part of the property. We wanted to make sure that the master suite here was amazing. Since we're in more of a upper middle class neighborhood, beautiful school districts, very high-end community, yacht club and the lake is down the street, you're gonna have somebody that likes nice things. So this luxurious master suite is gonna be a big deal. So the rest of the upstairs is just bedroom. So we have 3 bedrooms upstairs. We converted, it was 4, now it's gonna be 3. And a full bath over here. So you're gonna have a full bathroom, Jack and Jill sinks for these 2 bedrooms up here. That's the driveway leading into the 2-car garage. We're gonna get rid of all these trees. We're gonna re-cement and re-pour all this, and we're gonna create a really nice private backyard. There's an outbuilding over there for storage and the 2-car garage. So when we're all done with 1148 Whittlesay, we're gonna be all into it for purchase and renovation for about $270,000. We expect there to be about $12,000 to $15,000 in financing costs, and we expect us to sell it for about $400,000. So that leaves us the spread between $270,000 and $400,000 after factoring in $12,000 to $15,000 of financing costs and about $25,000 of realtor expenses. To add that up, it's about 40 grand. That leaves us all in with all of our expenses for about $310,000. And after all is said and done, we should walk away with Whittlesay Drive with an over $90,000 profit. So we do deals like this one all the time, and we've been investing since 2004 full time. We've done over 1,000 real estate deals. We've done almost 200 deals in just the last 2 years as an investor and a private lender. And what we're doing is I decided to host a free class this week to teach you exactly how to flip properties like Whittlesay Drive in your spare time. And you can register for that class right on this page. So thanks for watching our latest case study and listening to these new strategies. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.